Who doesn't like chocolate cake, right? Well, I'm going to show you something that's a liquid version of this delectable dessert. It's called chocolate liqueur. Now, if you remember, a few months back I showed everybody how to make my patented Irish cream liqueur. Well, this is going to be a variation on that theme. And the first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to put in a cup of the chocolate milk, because this is going to be kind of like the base. All right. Then, going to open up one of these bad boys. Now, when we made the Baileys, we used the regular evaporated milk, but this one is the chocolate. So I'm going to start this thing up. We're going to add in about a cup of our vodka, and I'm going to put in about a cup of the rum. Again, you can use just vodka, just rum, whatever you like. It really doesn't matter. But again, you know, there's nothing fixed in bronze. I mean, you can pretty much make this as powerful, potent as you want, as loose as you want. It's totally up to you. But the nice thing about it is, for less than $10, you can make an entire pitcher of double Dutch chocolate liqueur. So enjoy your holidays with Man Cave Munchies. I know I will.